2020 kicked off without its signature fireworks show right here in Seattle. Fans instead got this, a light show from the Space Needle that left New Year enthusiasts a bit underwhelmed. KIRO 7's Matt Smith is live near the Space Needle right now. Matt, that wind put a stop to the New Year's event, but now what?
Oh, Tracy, that's the big question that I think everybody's asking. So the Space Needle actually put out a tweet. I was reading it on my way in this morning, and it says that they canceled this year's display. But we also know that a spokesperson just one day ago said there was the possibility that they could see a window sometime today to launch these things. So we've been putting in the calls overnight, trying to get a little bit of clarification. Is this show off? They've made a point. They did not want to take these things down if they weren't detonated. Well, instead of fireworks, they got the light show. 12 minutes of lights choreographed to music for the show, a far cry from what the Space Needle wanted to put on. You know, earlier this week, I actually got a chance to get on top of the Space Needle and check out the setup for the show. They had 64 spots ready to launch fireworks. The goal to top last year's show that rang in 2019. In the end, get this, we actually heard people chanting "lame" downtown. People frustrated as Mother Nature forced the folks running the show to attempt to postpone show at 2, only to say it was a complete no-go early this morning.
We didn't know it was canceled until we got here, then we looked online.
It was a little underwhelming. Fireworks would have been a lot cooler.
Bottom line, the light show, not what people hoped for. A few saying it's better than nothing. I've got to tell you, you know that the Space Needle wanted to put on a show, wanted to ring in 2020 with a spectacular fashion. It turned out to be a bit of a dud. But coming up in 30 minutes, I'm going to introduce you to somebody who said, hey, it's better than nothing. At least they had the light show. We're also going to hear from the folks who flew in. This was supposed to be their honeymoon, Tracy. Not exactly going as planned.